To begin your installation of the brake flange repair kit, locate all the parts from the box. Then install the new safety coupling to the upper stem using a new coupling pin and a new coupling cotter pin. Your stem coupling should be assembled with the arrow facing up. Proceed to connect the upper stem with the new stem coupling onto the lower stem and retain it with the new coupling pin and the new coupling cotter pin. Place the new flange O-ring into the recess on the barrel flange and clean the sealing surface of the nozzle section. With that done, lower the nozzle section carefully onto the barrel flange and put two new safety flanges into place with the groove facing upward. The flanges should fit snugly around the barrel. Finish by tightening your bolts and nuts evenly to a minimum of 75 foot-pounds of torque. Your installation of the brake flange repair kit is now complete.